In April, we had 40 animal rescue jobs called in about bird entanglements. All different types of birds entangled by fishing line, string, and even human hair. From their legs, their wings, their beaks. Not many of these rescues have had happy endings. In their distress, they try and detangle themselves, and by doing so often make the situation worse.
Like that's probably got a massive infection in it.
Unfortunately, sometimes their injuries are so severe they cannot be rehabilitated. It is a great feeling when we are able to set the birds free.
We can release him.
But unfortunately, this outcome is rare. It is up to us to help these birds in need. Please dispose of your waste so birds can walk and fly freely without the danger of being entangled.